I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your license, you should go and change it.
de
Vacaciones cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones.
mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Ponche de alcohol, bien lleno los alrededores.
Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day, hey! GM, everybody, and welcome to another episode of this, your daily dose of Web3 morning motivation. We're coming live on Facebook, we're coming live on YouTube, we're coming live on LinkedIn, and our latest edition, X.com. So no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, educate you, and motivate you every single morning in just 20 to 25 minutes as you come in. Please make sure that you smash that like button, you hit that follow button, the subscribe button, the bell notifications button, the retweet button, I mean all the buttons, because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up to people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. We got a very special show prepared for all of you today. We're going to be talking about how The Bitcoin ETFs are about to unleash $600 billion or more into the crypto market. We will also talk about a new trading AI we are testing in the lab that so far is producing amazing returns. So I am sure you are going to love this one, but don't forget that we got some cool stuff lined up for all of you. Our Degen wallet and Degen reply AI tool are all set and just waiting for you to take them for a spin. If you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies, simply follow the OpenSea link that is on my bio or in the description of the YouTube below. Because from the outset, our mission has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We started by distributing Mula tokens, ensuring each member of our community felt the momentum, but we didn't stop there. Right after that, we released our one and only, the Degen wallet, your bank, your crypto, your freedom, more than just a wallet. It's the pinnacle of a Web3 bank revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management. So embrace a transformative banking experience where you command absolute control over your digital assets, enjoy seamless token swaps, and intuitively curate your NFT collection. But guess what? We didn't stop there. No. We also opened the doors for our Degen reply. This tool adds the buttons to X, formerly known as Twitter, for easy replies using spin tags and AI-generated responses, enhancing your social media experience. So because we're about empowering our community with nothing but the best of the best. So join us and experience the future of blockchain at lightning speed with our Degen wallet and enhance your social media interactions with our Degen reply. The Mula token, guys, will be launched alongside the wallet 3 to 4 months prior to the BTC halving. But for those who have been tuning in recently, yes, we have been embarking. You have seen us embark on an exciting trading adventure right here on the channel. I am currently testing a new trading AI algorithm in the lab, and its initial results have been nothing short of impressive. In my opinion, there will be a small window of opportunity on these technologies. Maybe 1 or 2 years before the masses catch up and the field gets level again. So for everybody that takes advantage of these new AI trading technologies, in my opinion, there will be the ones that reap the most returns. Yes, we are running several experiments in the lab. We are 100% hands-on, testing trading strategies using LSTM and CNN algorithms on top of one of the most robust AI platforms known to man. And as promised, here are some of the results that are coming out of the lab. So here we have the one and only AI system working. This is the AI platform, and our AI bot is called the VanEck AI. If I go to the trade section, you will even see some of the pairs we're trading with. You can see that we have loaded the VanEck AI strategy 1. This is one of the strategies we concocted, cooked in the lab, and now are testing in live data scenarios. We have other strategies currently being cooked in the lab that we hope to soon start testing in live data scenarios as well. But we have to make sure that they pass our back testing phase first. All right, so we have our first strategy, as you can see here, that we loaded just a couple days ago, and so far this strategy started losing some money on these initial trades. We are quite happy with the initial results because our win ratios, as you can see, most of the trades that you can see right here, win. Just a couple losses, but most of the trades are wins. But unfortunately, some of the losses were higher due to some tweaks and things that we needed to adjust on the bot. So now that we have some real data coming in, we were able to last night, actually, now that we have a full 48-hour trading period of data in, we were able to stop the bot for a minute, do some tweaks, adjust some of the stop losses and other things, and we kick-started the bot again last night. So the bot right now is going through the process of making its first trade since we did the adjustments. But guess what? If we go to the chart, you can see here, actually we are in XRP that, you saw some of these trades yesterday if you were here in the show. So here we have the Ishimoku cloud, and here we have some trending parameters that we have input into the system. Here you can see what every indicator actually means for reference, but we care a lot about this yellow line. This is the 2-hour trending line. So you saw us take trades when this line, the yellow line, is above the cloud and the price action gets above the yellow line. Then is when the AI starts to do its magic and starts to do entries and exits in the market. So we did some adjustments, but you can tell how the AI was so spot on right here. So you can see how we took a long here. You see several entry signals being pumped into these 4 candles. So the AI took the long as expected. And we came down to the 2-hour trending line, but we didn't cross it. You see how we just kiss it and then went back up. But I want you to notice how the AI was so spot on this trade, because although this is not below the 2-hour trending line, it was smart enough to close the trade because it saw that it was losing momentum. The volume was not there. Therefore, the AI knew we were about to go down. So it rather closed the trade instead of taking the massive loss, of course. So you can see how the AI is starting to learn as it goes. And you can see the trade. This is that trade right here. This is the exact trade that I just showed you. So you can see how the AI starts to learn from the data that is coming in real time, and it starts to adjust the strategy. It's a reinforced learning type environment. So we are supervising, is supervised machine learning type situation. So we're supervising and also helping adjust and tweak as we get enough data. But every decision we make is all based on data. So right now, in order for us to even think about touching it again, we have to wait a full 7 days. So we did our first 48 hours checkup. We did some adjustments. Now we're gonna go in a 7-day spread to see where we land. It doesn't matter. We're just testing. We're in the lab. We're tweaking. Don't expect this to be blowing and kind of cheating money right away. No, that's not how it works. You gotta train the AI. You gotta let the baby grow. You gotta let the thing learn properly, and you need to supervise. You gotta help the AI go in the direction that you want it to go based on the real-time data that is receiving. But right here, you can see the bot live working. We're just $100 down. It's not like we're breaking the bank. That's why stop losses are so important in any sensible strategy. But right here, you can see how we are already getting amazing success in our win ratios, and now we just need to tweak and let the AI learn, right? Grow the training of the AI so that we can get it to the point we want it to go. We hope that within the next 30 to 60 days we can get to the promised land where we want it to go. But that don't quote me on it, because we are ready to continue to play with this bad boy for as long as needed until we get it to work, because that's how things work. It's all about passion, determination, and persistence. What makes things actually work and win. It's not about you doing things one day and then the other day not doing it. Persistence and determination are the keys to winning not only this race but any race. So we're quite excited. We're quite excited to see this. So many of the pairs right now, there are no trades open, because as you can see, the market has gone under the cloud. So the AI, for as long as we remain here, will not take any trade unless it determines that it wants to go short. If the trending now starts to go in a different direction, then the AI adjusts its strategy and starts to kind of flip the switch, and then it starts to go in a shorting direction, shorting the market instead of longing the market. But I'm not gonna bore you with that. I just wanted to explain a little bit how the things work without going into detail about how the AI actually work under the hood. Hopefully, I was able to provide you with enough information. I am always open to questions. We have our Degen Canopy Consult today. Yes, today at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys show up, especially if you are part of the Degen Apes community, our family, our community of beta testers who are loving the wallet and having so much fun with it, because I'm gonna be giving you several updates into not only everything that has been happening with the wallet, everything that's been happening with some of the partnerships, the deals and whatnot, but also give you a better clarity about how this amazing AI is working. So I hope to see you all at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today at our Degen Forest Canopy Consult. We plan to keep you guys updated right here on the channel on the progress of this adventure, because our mission is to bring cutting-edge technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. I will also like to give a big shout out to all our reply guys out there. Your support means everything to us. I see you, Princess. I see you, Maddie, the 99 boy. I see you, Jasmine. I see you, Crypto Z. What's going on? I will see you on the canopy later, my man. Oh, I'm sure you're excited to hear what I got coming up for you guys. I'm Richie. I also see you, April. I also see you, George. I mean, the whole gang is in the house. As you know, I'm not able to give a shout out to everybody in the chat, but I want you to rest assured that your support means everything to us and nothing goes to waste. Every like, every retweet, every comment, everything counts towards an airdrop that is coming after the next BTC halving. So keep the engagement coming and let's make some magic together. Remember that we got what a giveaway going on, right? We got a giveaway going on. We got a beautiful MS70 Silver Coin. We got the flippers, the US Inventions series. Oh, it's this camera right here. Bam. We got this one yesterday. We had a winner for Rebecca. Rebecca was the winner. She already contacted us, sent us the address. Rebecca, your coin is going out this week. This is yours. You won this one. This is the one that is going out next week. And if you want to see a little bit of my collection, I also have, look at this bad boy that I have here. Yesterday, I was showing you guys how I just got this one in the mail. But today, I want to give another piece of my collection some prominence. So look at, this is the Abraham Lincoln. This is a PF70 Ultra Cameo Abraham Lincoln. This is a 2 ounces or 3 ounces, I think. 2 ounces. Silver coin. Look at that beautiful. I mean, look at how beautiful that looks. Part of my personal collection here, thanks to 7K Metals. If you want to get deal direct prices on all your gold and silver, there is no better place than via a 7K Metals membership. I have been personally using their membership for over 3 years now. Not only to get the best prices on gold and silver, but also on rare, unique collectibles, as well as several other member benefits that makes this company, in my opinion, the best place for anyone to secure their wealth, legacy, and freedom with sound money. So become a member today using the link on the description below and start building your wealth, your legacy, and your freedom with 7K okay, metals. But now, in case you missed the news, an United States appellate court directed the Securities and Exchange Commission in August to reassess its denial of Grayscale ETF application. A little noted consequence of that decision is that it could open the floodgates for $600 billion in new cash to enter the cryptocurrency markets. ETFs provide investors with a regulated way to gain exposure into different asset classes, including Bitcoin. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could democratize investment in the cryptocurrency sector, drawing parallels to how the iShares MSCI Brazil ETF and the VanEck Brazil Small-Cap ETF have democratized investment in the Brazilian markets. Despite some hurdles, market analysis anticipates potential Bitcoin ETF approval by early 2024. A Bitcoin ETF could unlock an estimated $600 billion in new demand, according to a September report by analysts at Bernstein, more than doubling the approximate $550 billion current market cap that the Bitcoin stands today. However, these predictions are speculative, with the actual outcome depending on various factors such as market dynamics, company strategies, and regulatory responses. Notably, the SEC has delayed the decision on Cathie Wood's ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF application several times already. In August, Wood expressed her expectation for these delays, stating that she believed the SEC will approve multiple Bitcoin ETFs simultaneously. But on September 26, the SEC extended the decision period further to January 10. SEC Chair Gary Gensler, or Clown Gary, like we know him in the channel, delayed and rejected several Bitcoin applications, and that have drawn criticism and fuel investors' frustration. Tell me about it. A bipartisan group of lawmakers urged Gensler this month to grant immediate approval for an ETF, arguing that post-Grayscale court decision, there is no reason to deny spot crypto ETFs, which they believed will enhance investors' safeguards. Of course, it will enhance security. What is the SEC's mandates? But they don't care about security at the SEC. They are not here trying to protect you, the investor. They are here trying to protect and consolidate power. Once you understand that fact, then you will understand why the SEC is doing what it's doing. But, they got no other option right here, because this congressional pressure further complicates the path to Bitcoin ETF approval, adding to the uncertainty as ARK's 21 shares Bitcoin ETF decision dates approaches. In tandem, the SEC deliberations over Bitcoin ETFs and major players in the crypto industry are actively lobbying for new rules. Coinbase, for instance, is spearheading one of the largest lobbying pushes in the crypto industry, aiming to garner support among lawmakers for the introduction of new regulations. As we continue to observe these unfolding developments, it becomes increasingly clear that the future of crypto regulations is being hotly contested. Recent developments suggest more potential delays in the approval of Bitcoin ETFs on the whole. James Seyfarth, a Bloomberg ETF analyst, speculated that the SEC recent decisions may have dampened projects for ETF approvals in 2023. Filings from major players such as BlackRock, Bitwise, and Wisdom Tree are slated for review in the third week of October. However, the SEC's recent actions on Act 21 shares have sparked speculation that other filings due for review in mid-October, including those from VanEck, Invesco, Fidelity, and Valker, could also experience delays. So it remains to be seen whether there will be any significant updates on these applications soon. However, what is quite clear here is that the SEC has no option but to approve a Bitcoin ETF. So it's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. And when that happens, the floodgates of capital will rush into the asset, creating a tsunami in the crypto space. And here in this channel, we are 100% ready for it. But now, before I move forward, I just have one simple question for everybody in attendance today.
Can I be your friend?
In the vast, uncharted wilderness, where the verdant canopy kisses the azure sky, there strides an ape, resolute and undeterred, a silent harbinger of indomitable will and unyielding perseverance, with eyes ablaze with the fire of purpose. It moves with grace, born of certainty. A dance of quiet power and subtle assurance. In its journey, the forest whispers tales of impossibility, of daunting odds stacked like insurmountable cliffs. Yet, with each step, the ape cast aside the chains of doubt, smashing the invisible walls of excuses with fists clenched with conviction. Here, O kind red spirits of the digital expanse, the symphony of the wild, where each note a beacon illuminating the path of relentless pursuit and unbridled passion. In the silent gaze of the ape, find the mirror reflecting in the visage of potential unlimited, of dreams unfettered. The shadows cast by the towering trees are but transient, fleeting illusions, dissipating under the gaze of the dawn's first light. So are the excuses we weave, delicate and fragile, crumbling under the weight of determination, dissolving into the ether from when they came from. And in this sacred groove, where the digital and the primal entwine in a dance as old as time, let the echoes of the ape's silent roar reverberate, dismantling the citadels of hesitation, annihilating the specters of procrastination. For in the heart of the forest, amidst the labyrinth network of ancient roots and towering giants, there lies a sanctuary, a heaven for the weary traveler and the ambitious dreamer alike. And if the whispers of the wild call your soul, beckoning you with the promise of adventure untold, then heed the call and step into the embrace of the Degen forest. Because here, amidst peers and mentors, visionaries and craftsmen, you'll find a crucible where ideas morph into reality, where the spark of innovation ignites the tinder of possibility. The Degen forest, a bastion of knowledge and camaraderie, welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to partake in the symphony of creation, to add your note to the melody that will reverberate through the annals of time. As the sun sets, casting its golden hue over the verdant expanse, let the image of the ape, steadfast and resolute, be etched in your mind, a totem of what can be achieved when excuses are cast aside, when the heart is filled with the fire of passion, and the eyes see nothing but the horizon of possibility. Go forth, O architects of the future, with the blessings of the wild and the wisdom of the ancients, and let the world bear witness to the tapestry you weave, a mosaic of brilliance and tenacity, of dreams realized and potentials unlocked. The forest has spoken, and the path, it's clear. The question is, will you heed the call?
Where the Degens at? From the bull to the bear, the warriors are there. Is that you? Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Feed by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you can find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. It just matters what I do, it don't matter what they did to me. Racking up these coins, I'ma stack them individually. Building in the bear, I know all the whales are sick of me. Workshop, they talk, but they can't fake the epitome. Are you against us, or are you for us? The pressure in the bear market, yeah, it forged us. I'm talking traits on traits, I'm talking gas war fate. I'm talking rugs and weights, it's gonna be hard to ignore us. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a Degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a Degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Feed by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you gon' find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. I refuse to lose with the chip stack against me. Gonna make it to the top no matter how long it takes me. Know my IRL friends starting to think that I'm crazy. I keep earning and learning cause all these failures done raised. I've been wrecked, been rugged, but it don't ever faze me. Cause I keep coming back stronger, ain't ever lazy. Same ones used to hate me, same one that praised me. I'm a crypto Degen till I'm pushing up days. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a Degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? a Degen a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at, had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beside and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. DeFi the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you gon' find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter space is synergy, bull market's coming back, blast off to infinity.